Hello guys, so this video will show you on how will I repair my Roland RD700nx to repair the key velocity problem because I got the key of F and the C and E also. They are misbehaving to their velocity. Okay, so please watch this video and see how am I gonna fix it. So one of the reasons I am going to be brave to open up this by myself because I believe it's the same principle of how the velocity works, and as I watch the YouTube for the same video that I'm gonna make. So here, because actually these insiders are like a rubber with a contact point, and we are gonna try to clean that up. Then let's see what will happen. Okay, so here guys, I have already turned upside down the RD700nx, and I'm gonna take out the screws, okay, to open it. So this is really how the piano works. So see, so the hammer, it's a little bit of a hammer. It's really cool. So now we are going to figure out how to take this keys off so that we can repair the rubber or the contact point inside this case. So if you notice there's a screw here, then here also, and so on and so on. So we are going to take those out, okay? So let's wait guys. So here guys, we have finally opened up this part, the metal bar here. So let's figure it out more. So this part is made of metal, and this one is plastic, and this is a wood. So all of these so guys, this is the PHA3 that we see on the specifications of the keyboard, right? It says on the market that it is PHA3. So it has a dash key. So this is it. So there guys, we have already successfully screwed out all of the screws here. There. So these keys themselves already weighs a lot already. So we just take out those wrinkles for safety. So they move the brake, and they see that wood, that material that is being used in this RD700nx. So like this, let's flip this keys, and there we have now successfully turned or flipped this out, these keys. So we're gonna try to open up now these boards where the contact points are. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so there we just take out this ribbon out for safety, and we have also taken out the screws here, and actually this is the middle board of this thing. So we got the first board here, the middle, and the last one here. Okay, so we're just gonna take out the middle to clean their contact points. Okay? So let's make sure we're putting it right. Okay guys, so let's show it there. So there, we have successfully. So as you notice, there's are three buttons or three contact points for each key. So the previous keyboard that I'm fixing, it has only 2 contact points, but this one it has 3 sensors. Okay, so the key that is not working is the F. So there is the F4. Let's try to open it up. So there is the part. But first I'm gonna hide this screw first. Carefully. So there. See that guys? are gonna try to put some pencil lead in that contact point. Okay, so let's see. Let's try to take out the C and the E part. The E key. There we have successfully placed the ribbon back. So let us try now to connect this to the power, to the socket and to the speaker. So there we have now plugged in the RD700nx and connect the speaker. So let us give it a try. And E also. Good job now. So I believe we have successfully repaired this RD700nx. So let us all put all the screw back and let's play now. So there now guys, I have now successfully put all back the screws, and then we are now ready to use this keyboard. Okay, so just one moment. So there guys, we have now successfully repaired this Roland RD700nx. So the C and E works fine, and F. See? Thank you guys for watching my tutorial or the ways on how did I repair my Roland RD700nx. So for more videos guys, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.